Okay. So if it is not clear, this concept, please let me know. I will try to re-explain. Okay, about the variable concept. Otherwise, we'll go for next concept, the method types. Okay. So let's take example. Today's topic is method types. What is method? Method is a block of code to perform some operation. Method is a block of code to perform operation on this we can reusable by calling multiple times. Okay. This is yesterday example only. What is this main? This main is a method or variable. It is a variable, right? It is a method. So like that, what else we can write methods? How to write methods? What is the syntax? How many types methods are there? That we'll discuss today. Okay. So just in this example also, in this main method, we are doing something. Method is a part of block. It is a block having some logic, some code. On this method, we can reusable for multiple times. Okay. Then we can see like different types of methods. Okay. What is syntax? First thing, method syntax I'll write. Okay. Then we'll go for some examples. In the method, first thing is we have to write modifier. Okay. What is the modifier? I will tell you. Okay. Next, we have to write return type. Okay. Next, we have to write method name. Method name can be any. Okay. In the open bracket and close bracket, we have some arguments. Okay. Right. Arguments. This part we can call as arguments. Just try to repeat yourself that's these words. Okay. Next time you will be much familiar on this. So in the floor bracket, open and close, between this part we can call as a body. Optionally, at the end of the method, we have to write return statement optionally. Optional some cases. Okay. Then go for yesterday example only. Take this test only. Okay, I'm taking this test to this notepad. Just compare with this. What is the first one? First one is modifier. Okay. Right now I've taken that modifier as a public. Okay. Ignore about the static. These are the modifier only. This is optional. I will tell you later about the static keyword. Next thing is return type. Okay. Return type is void. Void means we are not written anything. In the case of void, the return statement is optional. In the case of void. Okay. Next method name. What is the method name here? Please speak out. In the line number 17, what is the method name?
Method name is M1.
Method name is M1. Okay. So after open bracket, close bracket, anything is there in between? No. Okay. That means there are no arguments for this method. Next, in the floor bracket open, floor bracket close. In between, some statements are there. These are logic, some block. Okay. These are our customized logics. At the end, do you have return statement here? We don't have. Why? Because return type is void. So this return keyword is optional in the case of void. Okay. Okay, this I'm repeating again. This is the syntax for the method. First, we have to write modifiers. Okay, in the same here, these two are modifiers. We can take one or more modifiers, depends on requirement. Next one is return type. This is the return type void. Here method name. Here method name is M1. Comparison fine, right? So this method not taking any arguments, that is why not taking anything. This is the optional thing. Optional means depends on requirement, we have to write. Next, body part, these two lines are body part. Next, return statement is optional in the case of void return type. Okay. Just compare both. Main method also the same, public static is a modifiers, void is a return type, main is a method name. It is accepting some arguments. What is the string type arguments, string array type arguments? Okay. So between this open bracket, close bracket, if you write anything, those are arguments. Arguments can be 0 to n. 0 to n. Okay, here we taken one argument. Like that, we can take any arguments by using comma separated. So in the next body part, we taken something println statements, some create an object that is up to our requirement. At the end, we did not write any return statement. What is the reason for that?
Return is optional in case of Y.
Case of Y, right? Please respond, everyone. Fine. Okay. So this is the method syntax. So how many ways we can write method? There are 4 ways. There are 4 ways. First, we'll go one by one. First way is without return, without arguments. Without return. Without return is void. Okay. So without return means void. With arguments means there are something between this. Okay. Sorry, without here. Without arguments, without return. Example is, what is the example here? This is without arguments, without return. Is it clear? Public I'm taking for now for the modifier. Return type without arguments, without return type. Without return type means void. Just remember, without return type means void. Okay. Then I'm taking method name, simple method name M1 here also. Okay. Without arguments, and here also without. No, don't take these arguments. Directly close. Okay, here return type is void, right? No need to write return statement. Okay, is clear? Next one is without arguments with return keyword. With return, just take it. Okay. So this example, I'm taking this public is a modifier for now. Just for now, take a public. We'll discuss more on that. Next, without arguments. Without arguments means first take it with return. With return means other than void, we can take anything. Maybe I want to return some integer value. Okay. Method name is M2 without arguments. So nothing here. Okay. So here return type is void or something else. Lucas?
Yes.
Here, what is the return type here?
Sorry.
What is the return type here?
Return type int.
Yeah, it is an int, right? So we have to return int data. So I'm writing int 123 random value. Okay. If I return like this, is it correct or not?
It's false.
It's not correct. Not a false. Not a correct, because it is expecting int type, but we are returning Boolean type. That's not correct. So we have to return int, any number int. Okay. Now third type is without completed with arguments without return type. Okay. So what is with arguments? In the main method, we see there are some arguments it is giving input. Okay, this arguments basically use it to input for this method. Okay, just for example, I want to pass two integer numbers input and I want the result of product of these numbers. So that means how to take input. That input will take from the arguments types. Just see example here, public without return type means void method name just addition with arguments. I'll take two arguments here, not one. I'll take two arguments. First one, second one. Okay. Fine, right? Here written statement is definite, right? Is it required here? Money, Kasi? Here written is not required because here type is void. Okay, fine. The last approach is with arguments with return type.
Return type.
Okay, so here what we do, public by default I'm taking here for now with return type. With return type means just taking in return type boolean for now here. Okay, method name just do compare two numbers. I'm taking that input A, input B, two numbers I'm taking input. Yes, I'm comparing A is greater than or not with B. Okay, I'm taking the result. Okay, here what is the return type here? What is return type?
Boolean, mean true
Boolean.
or
So
false.
we have to return Boolean value. Result. Okay, result is Boolean, right? That is why I returning the Boolean type.
Yes.
These are the four types for now. Anyone is not understanding, please let me know now only. Please respond back at least in chat if you are not understanding or understanding.
It's clear.
Okay, I'm taking this understanding fine. Okay, it's clear. Okay. Okay, now we'll go some examples. We'll go for some examples. Okay. Here requirement is take two inputs of type integer. Okay, and print the product. Okay, clear? Understanding? This is a requirement.
Yes.
Taking these two inputs, integer inputs, and print the product. Okay, how to take this method? It is like what type? Just tell me the type number. Tell me 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes under which type?
4. Fourth one.
Fourth one? Why it is fourth
with
one?
arguments and with return type. We have to take two integers and we have to return type is product of two integers.
Okay, we are accepting two integers. That means with arguments, we are returning the, no, I'm asking to only print the product. Right, only print, don't return value.
Okay.
Right? Okay, let's see. Write a code.
Yeah.
Public. We are not returning, just only printing that values. And our product. Taking two inputs, int I, int j. Why taking int I, int j?
Inputs of type integer.
Good.
Here clearly told, taking two input of type integers. Okay. Then I want to print the product. So just do product I into j. This is product. So taking result into integer. Just print that. Don't return, just print that. How to print? Fine. Is correct? Lokesh, is correct?
Yeah, it's correct.
Okay, fine. I'm going for another requirement. Now Lokesh has to give answer. Take two integers and take three integers. Return if sum of first two integers more than third integer. Okay, I'll explain this. I have a 10, 20, 30. Okay, taking three integers as input, as arguments, and return if sum of first two numbers. What are first two numbers? 10 plus 30. Sorry, 10 plus 20 equal to 30. This 30 is greater than third number or not? Is it true or false?
Not
This is false. So we have to return finally
false.
false. This is the requirement. Okay, this is a requirement. Okay, let's start coding. I'm taking the first one is 10, second one is 15, third one is 40. Okay, third one is 40. Let's try to code. Just tell me the syntax. Anyone?
Public
Okay,
Public boolean
int
okay.
Int
Method name anything. Anything, just tell ABC,
some
that's fine.
anything. Okay.
Yes, I'm taking
Okay.
ABCD, okay? Then
Integer
then three integers.
three
I think.
integer
okay, int I, next int j,
integer.
Next Boolean k is fine.
Yeah.
Is correct.
Take 3 integers as arguments.
Okay, what is wrong here?
Boolean k.
Boolean remove. Okay, what I had to add here?
Maybe int 3 integers as arguments.
Int k.
Yeah,
Int-
3 integers means we have to
int-
3. I is 1, j is second one, third one is k. Okay, let's write code here. I want to do sum of first two numbers. Sum of first two numbers. What are first two numbers?
I
10, 15.
I j 10 plus
I
15
Int
plus j.
int plus j is correct.
I plus j something like you
I
have to
plus j.
use like
Right, I
do
plus
that
j.
one.
I plus j, I'm
yes.
taking sum into sum equal to I plus j. Now compare with the third number. Sum
Yes.
greater
If
than
sum is
Greater
greater
than I plus
than
j.
k,
K.
k. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Take a result into one variable. Just I'm writing variable name as compare. Okay. Just return this. I have to return or not?
Yes, we have to return.
Yeah. Why? I told return the sum. Okay.
Yes.
This is the logic you are saying. Okay. Let's execute this. Okay. Directly we execute here. We'll take a class. Example 1. Class name example 1. Take a main method. Tell me main method syntax. I told yesterday to at least by half for some days.
Static.
Public
Static void main.
static void main. Okay.
string of
String,
array of arguments.
Okay.
Boolean return error. Spelling
Main
maybe wrong.
Main operator. Okay. Okay. This I'm calling this method from main method. Okay. How to call? Directly I'm calling in the SOP. System dot out dot print ln. Call this method abcd. How to pass numbers? I am passing 12,
10, 20.
23, 30. Okay, I'm passing these three values.
Boolean spell check please. A 7th line.
What is that?
7th
See
line.
anything mistakes in our code? Okay, then fine. We'll compile. We'll see that ex1 class name dot java. How to compile?
Java C.
Okay, here open count from here. Java C class name dot java. Why not found ex1? Why? ex1 where it is saved? It is not saved here. Let's check where it is saved.
They're only
Doing
but
training. Okay. Okay, one step back. Let's go one step back. Our training.
wrong file name. ex1 ex.1 you have given, I think.
No, it is Java C ex1.file name. Is correct, right?
Yeah.
ex1.java.
Dot
It is there. Okay, spelling mistake. Let me recorrect that. x1. Okay. Okay. Let's reload this. Okay. Okay, let's compile now. What is saying? Spelling mistake. Check. Boolean. Okay. Change. This compiled. I'm trying to run. It's saying something. Main method not found in ex1. Why main method not found? Please check anything mistake we did in here.
Capital M.
What is that?
M is capital. That is not correct, I think.
Okay, capital M. Okay, okay. Fine. Now again compile. True. Okay. 12 plus 13. 12 plus 23. How much?
35.
35. 35. 30. Comparison true. Okay. Okay. This is simple example. Okay. With written type. With arguments. It's clear, right? Let's take one more example with here requirement is take two or not, don't take one input integer and print the table, you know, right? One table, two table.
Yeah.
Okay, table, right? Just example, if you take input is 5, we have to print that up to 5 into 1, 5. Like this, print up to 5 into 10 equal to 50. This may include the loops also. We'll cover this later. Okay. We'll go one thing. Print that corresponding square. Corresponding square finite. If we take input, what is the square value?
16.
16, right? Simple example. Let's write code then. Let's take public. What is the return type here?
No return type.
What is return type?
No return type.
No return type. Why no return type? Just I'm asking to print it. Don't return any value. Okay. Void. Take any input method name as anything square meaningful name. Take one input. Okay. Print. How to first do calculation of the square. How to do calculation? I
Into I.
I into I. What is square? Square means 4 into 4. That is 16. These two, same thing here. Result, I'm taking variable. I'm trying to print. Okay. Now it is clear, right? With written type, without written type, with arguments, without arguments. Anything doubt on that? Anything doubt on that?
No, thank you.
Okay. So this is like methods. Okay, those methods like the material are different everywhere. So you can see here methods and different type of methods. This method like it is a block of code. It will execute when it is called. This method when it is called whenever we call. So it will execute whenever we call. Just for example, here if you see example 1, here ABCD method is there. ABCD method directly executed or we are calling from main method. we are calling from main method. So main method is calling ABCD method. That is why it is calling the executing. That is why we are saying here method is a block of code executed whenever it is called. Okay. Basically, methods are used to perform some actions. Our code also doing same thing. We are doing some actions. That action may be sum, square, multiplication, whatever. That we can do some actions. Okay. Methods we have declared inside a class or interface. Okay. These methods we declare inside a class or outside a class. We should declare inside a class. Okay. This is syntax. I explained same thing. Return type, modifiers. Modifiers I'm putting dot means we can use multiple modifiers. Arguments also I'm putting dot means that is we can have multiple arguments also. Return statement is optional. It is optional for void. Okay, simple example. These 4 types I explained here: method with arguments, without arguments, with return type, without return type. I think it is more clear. Okay, let's go for static. I told like in main method we have a static keyword. Why we are using static always? Okay. Now we'll discuss about static keyword. Are you ready? Any confusion on the previous topic? Please reply.
No confusion. Go ahead.
Okay. Next is static keyword. What is static keyword? First thing, static is a keyword or modifier applicable for the variables and methods and class. Okay. Example, variable we can put as a static keyword, and methods also we can put static keyword. Class also. For class also we can put, but conditions, some conditions are there. Only for inner classes. Only for inner classes. Okay. Outer class only allowed this ones. I will tell you what is inner classes, outer classes. First we'll go for variables, methods, how to apply the static variable, static keyword. First we'll take example, class test. Okay. I'm taking here int I equal to 10. Another one is int j equal to 20. I'm taking method public static void main string array args. Clear? Now I want to print these things, just these two things. I'm just writing SOP instead of system.out.println. Okay. SOP of J. Fine. It will execute or not? Yesterday I told one point. Okay, it will execute or not? It is instance variable. It is an instance variable. Okay. What is instance variable?
Without static, out globally, if you declared, then it is instance variable.
Okay, fine. If you declare it is a static, then it will become under static variable or instance variable.
Static variable.
Static
Okay.
variable.
Fine. If I try to access I and j here, I is a instance variables, j is a static variable. If I try to access, what will happen? Yesterday I told one point. Yeah, you can tell.
Yeah, non-static static variable means we can call by using object only.
Non-static variable we cannot access from static method Directly. Directly, it is important. Okay. Non-static variable we cannot access from static method directly. This is a non-static method that we are trying to access in the static method. So non-static variable we are trying to access from static method. This is a, it is not allowed directly. How to access that? We have to create object for that class. By using new keyword, we will create an object and you can call with that object reference. Now it will works. Okay, then what is the difference between static? What is the meaning of static? Why it is static allowing to static method? Okay, here two things. Here the memory will be allocated for the static things or maybe static variable or static methods at class loading time. Class loading means whenever first we are using the class. Okay, just I'm writing the point here. More clarity for static variables or static methods. Memory will allocated at class loading time. Class loading means, just for example, when that class using first time. Okay, when the class using first time. So here class is using, where is class using? This class is using directly from the command prompt only, Java EX. Okay, Java EX means this class is loading into memory first time. Okay, whenever we are calling using first time, then only the class will be loaded. If you use the same EX for multiple times, it will not load into again, because first it will check internally Java. This class already used at least once. Okay, if at least once it is used, then it will not load again. If it not used, then it will load. Okay, so this test class we are loading whenever we are giving the Java command. Okay, that time already loaded. Already loaded means this static variables already memory allocated. Already allocated memory means it is ready to use. Okay, so static variable memory allocated when class is using first time. Okay. So
Yes.
then instance variable when it is memory allocated. For instance variables or instance method. Instance variable or method, memory will be allocated at 1 second. When create object for that class. Okay. These 2 points are clear or not? The memory will be created when creation of objects for instance variables. For static variables, class loading time. Class loading means whenever first we are using that class. Okay. So up to here, if you remove this line, up to here, line number 104, the class is loaded or not? It's not clear. Class is loaded because we are using Java command here directly. In the Java command only will provide test. That means the test class will be loaded into memory. That means already static variables will be memory will be allocated. Then instance variables. Instance variable when it is created, when it is memory created, whenever you create an object. So up to now the object is not created. Okay, object is not created. So we cannot access non-static variable, that means instance variable, into static memory. Okay, that is the concept here. So if you want to access, then we have to create an object. How to create object? By using test keyword, a new keyword. Now object is created. That means the corresponding variable got memory created for this. Then we can use that directly in anywhere with the object reference. Okay, why you are in object reference? So for this variable, the memory will be allocated. Where is that memory? Just use this reference for that. I think it is. When need to create object for this? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So just remember these 2 points. Okay. For static variable or static method, memory will be allocated at class loading time. For instance variables or methods, memory will be allocated when we create an object for that class. Okay. Non-static variable we cannot access directly from the static method or static block also fine. Static method or static block. There is static block concept also. That also we cannot access. Okay. Yeah, now understood, right? So variable with the static keyword, method with the static keyword. Okay, next is class with the static keyword. The class with the static keyword is it can be applied only for inner class. So before that inner class, I want to tell few points. We can declare class inside a class. Okay, example class A, class B. Okay, we can declare class inside another class. It will be allowed in Java. Okay, next one is we cannot declare a method inside a method. Example, public void m1, sorry, m2 maybe. This is the one method. Inside a method, we cannot declare another method. It is not possible in Java. It's clear? These 2 points. Third points, we know that we can declare class. You can declare a method inside a class. This is possible. Fourth one is reverse. We cannot declare a class inside method. Class means outer class here. Okay, just for example here, class this is allowed inside a class. We can declare a method. Up to now we tried this example only, this type only. Okay, we cannot declare method inside a class. Sorry, class inside a method. This is a method. We declare a class here, it will not allowed in top level. Okay, this tool is not there. Is clear up to now? Please reply everyone.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Clear.
Clear, right? Okay, and that is about the static keyword. That means main thing is static. So static we can apply for variables, methods, and classes. Class for only for inner classes. Okay, if we declare a variable as a static means, or if you declare a method as a static means, the memory will be allocated for that whenever the class is using first time. That means whenever class is loading first time. Okay. For the instance variables or instance methods, the memory will be allocated when we create an object for that class. Okay. Simple example here, without an object, we are trying to access the instance variable in static memory. For the instance variable, the memory is not allocated yet. How we can use that? Okay, without allocating memory for that variable or method, we cannot use that, right? That is the very reason that non-static variable we cannot access in the static memory, static method. I think it is clear. It is clear, I think. Static keyword, the static method, instance method, I'm writing here some notes. Okay. About main method already discussed yesterday only. When we are running that class in a dark class file, first JVM check the corresponding class having main method or not, right? In this case also we face some issue. The main method not found because some spelling mistake. The main method syntax exactly should be like this. Exactly. Yes. Today also we missed something here. We written some capital M. This capital M, because of that, the main method is not valid because JVM always search for public static void main with this syntax only. If we change anything here, it will not work. It will not feel that JVM as this is the main method. JVM feels this is maybe different method, like ABC. Okay. If the above method is available, then it will, sorry, if above method is not available, then it throws no class, the phone error. Sorry, it's incorrect. Just correct that. It's not correct. 1 second, let me correct that. Fine. Okay. Okay. If the main method is available, then JVM it calls the main method. It will start from using main method. I think it is clear. Just to like simple point, main method is the entry point for the Java applications. It is like from main method, the actual execution will be start in Java. Okay. Let's go one more thing. One more thing here I missed to cover. Without keywords, we'll go for one more thing here. The data type is completed. Identifiers. What is identifier? What is identifier? These are not much important. Just to try to understand the things. If I declare int I equal to 20, here int is what? What is int?
Data type.
Int is a data type, right? And value it is a 20. 20 means it is a value. Okay. Here, what is I? This is identifier or variable name. Okay. So what else I can write identifiers? Identifier I taken I. It is allowed. If I taken 1, it is allowed or not. If I take allowed or not. If I take ABC, allowed or not. So what are the rules to write identifier? It is a data type. Sorry, I'm trying to difficult. This is the data type. This is the identifier. This is the value. Clear, right? Integer data type, right? Sorry, integer data type. Sorry, this is spelling mistake. Okay, I'm deleting this. Integer data type, and I is a identifier, 20 is a value. So identifier I can, how I can write, like any rules for that? If I take ABC equal to 20 or Boolean, okay, Boolean 1 to AB equal to true. These are allowed or not. So if I take random any name with a mixed number of symbols, characters, okay, any like special characters, these are allowed or not. For that we have some rules, okay, that we discuss now. Every name in Java it is called identifier. Okay, just int I, int j, int k, anything it is like identifier. Not only like variable here. Here we can take class. It is a class name. Name also an identifier. Method name, this is also one identifier. Here arguments types, string array, arguments variable name, this is also one identifier. Here I, this is also one identifier. Okay, identifier means not only for variables, this is for the all over, like the class name, method name, variable name, anything. Okay, so for to write this, are we following any rules for that? Okay, there are some rules we'll discuss now. So to write that, allowed characters are A to Z, capital, small a to Z, and 0 to 9, underscore, dollar. Okay, apart from this, if you try to add any other than this, you will get compile name error. Okay, just see example. Just see example. In example one only, I taken into I into J. Okay, I'll take directly main method. I'll remove this. Int I equal to 10. Okay. Just compile this. Allowed. What are the different types allowed? Capital A to Z. Just I taken capital A. Small a to Z. I taken small b. And I underscore allowed. Okay. And one more thing is dollar symbol allowed. Okay. Just check this. Compiled. Fine. Just to validate, I'm adding one more symbol at the rate. Okay. Are they allowed or not? As per rule here.
Not allowed.
Not allowed. Okay, let's go and check. I added at that also here. I saved that. I'm going to compile. Giving error, unexpected something. Okay, we're expecting something, but there is something, some different value, different word here, different character is there. Okay, let's take instead of this, I'll take hash. Let's check that also. Hash also not allowed. Okay, you can check any like star symbol. Not allowed. So only allowed things are capital A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9. 0 to 9, let's try this here. I'm trying to add 8, 7. Okay, let's check this. Okay, compile. That means numbers also allowed. The first rule is understood. Let's go for second rule. Should not start with digit. So any variable name should not start with digit. If I try to start with digit, any digit, take 1. Let's compile this. Error, because should not start with digit. Clear, right? Next one is identifies a case sensitive. Case sensitive means if I take example int I equal to 10, I'm declaring again int capital I equal to 20. 12 maybe. These two are same or different? As per Java,
Same.
it is different because identifiers are case sensitive. That means this it will Java feels it is a small I, it is a capital I. These two are different. Okay, let's check again. So these two are different, right? It will be feeling capital I is different variable, small I different variable. If I try to add same variable, same type, both are small only. Try to compile now. This is giving error. So variable I already defined. Okay, I is already defined by again defining other 12 here. Okay, if I give capital I, it will compile because capital I and small I two are different. Okay, that is about that tower rule. Identifies a case sensitive. Okay, there is no limit for that identifiers, but recommended approach is up to 20 characters. Limit in the sense, if I take a variable name as like I given randomly this much size. Okay, is it allowed or not? Validate. It is allowed because there is no limit for that variable, but recommended as per the industry standard, just 20 characters up to. Okay, I think it is clear. Now, last point is we cannot use reserved keyword. Reserved keyword means we have some reserved keyword like integer, okay, byte, short, int, long, float, double, wide, this kind of thing. There are some reserved keywords. There are many also. Let's take example int wide equal to 10. I'm taking the variable name as a void. Void is already reserved keyword. Right? Void is a return type. Okay. Is it allowed or not? If I take a variable name as a reserved keyword, it is not allowed because it is illegal start. Okay. Reserved keyword we cannot use for the variable names. Is this clear? These are about 4 points, 5 points. Anyone any doubts? If you are not clear, let me know now only. We'll discuss more on this. Money?
Clear, it is clear.
Clear, right? Okay. I'm going to write one simple example here.
Yeah, clear.
I am taking that dot 1 at the rate, sorry, a second, at the rate $1 capital A small a. Is it allowed or not? Is it valid or not? First thing. Huh?
Allowed, I think.
Yeah,
Is it
valid.
valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Valid.
Why it is valid? Because I'm using that extra character. I'm using 1 numeric. Numeric can we use or not in the variable?
No.
Yes, we can use
Yes,
because
we can use.
the numeric is not allowed as a first digit. Should not start with digit, but after the first digit, we can use any. After the first character, we can use any digit. Okay, let's check this. This
Yes,
compiled.
yes.
Okay. That is about identifiers. If it is not clear, please let me know. I'll repeat again.
Clear only.
Clear, right? Please reply everyone.
Yeah, clear.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
clear.
clear.
Yeah, clear.
Okay. So today actually we are entering actual subject. Okay. Operators. We'll discuss now operator. We know it is very simple concept. We know that everyone from childhood onwards we are working with operators. What is the plus, minus, multiplication, divide, percentile? Okay. What is the increment operator? Increment operator I'll discuss. Maybe it may be new. Shift operators, relation operators. We'll not discuss all things. We'll mostly go for very important operators like arithmetic operators, increment, decrement. On shift operators not required. Relation operators will go for. On bitwise also we go for ternary. Okay. We'll go like whatever I can teach today, I will cover. It's very, very simple. No need much explanation, like because everyone know this. Okay. Shall we start operator concept?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
Operators.
yes.
So what is the operator? Operators. Okay. You know that if you want to do something on the our data may be integer, characters, boolean, or some words. Want to do something, we need do with the operators only. Just for example, I have 2 numbers. Just I want to do sum. What we will use?
Plus.
Plus. I want to product.
Star.
I want to use divide by the divide
Plus.
operations. I want to compare 10, 20, 10 greater than 20 or not.
Double
Less
equal.
than, less than.
Okay, I want to compare equals or not. Okay, these are operators. Let's go one by one. For this, no need to explain much thing. Just I'm writing directly. 10 plus 20. Output is 30. 10 minus 20. 30. 10 plus 20. Is correct?
But the
No.
second one giving an equal value.
minus
Okay.
Add on
Okay.
200.
200.
20 by 2.
10.
One. Okay. 100. 12 by 12 percentile. 10. What will happen? Percentile means remainder. Remainder, you know, right? How to write remainder?
1.2.
Remainder, right? Simple mathematical operation. Ten 10. Okay.
Yeah, it will be
1. What is
1.2.
remainder? 2. The 2 will get by using modulus operator. This is called modulus. That is modulus operator. Okay. Output is 2. Okay. Let's see what is remaining here. All are covered. Then plus plus. Just I want to increment that. Just example, int I equal to 10. I want to increment that by 1. I want to increment by 1. I can write plus plus I. I can write I plus plus. Both are 11 only. But what is difference? What is difference is if I use SOP of plus plus I, it will print. First it will increment. Okay, first it will
Yes.
increment, then it will print.
It will
Okay.
give the output 11, right?
First it will increment. After incrementing, what is the value of I?
11.
11. So it
11.
will print 11. Now I value is 11. Again I'm writing plus plus, sorry, I plus plus. Don't
It will give
confuse this. If
output
you are not
of 10.
understand, repeat again. Okay, I will repeat 2 times, no problem. Now I value is 11 up to here, line number 172. Now I am again doing I plus plus. That means first it will print I value, then it will increment. So first it print I value, then increment.
11.
Okay.
And then if we can write SOP again, then it will give 12.
Yes, first it will print. Then you will do plus plus means one increment one value. Okay. Now it is 12. Next print the SOP of I. What will you print now?
12.
12. Good. Next I value is 12. I am doing minus minus I. First it will
11.
decrement,
11.
then print.
11.
Again what will print?
11.
11. Okay. SOP of I minus minus. What is the value?
11.
11. But here final value is
10. So we can
10.
write SOP of I.
what is that?
SOP of I.
SOP of I will print 10. It is plus plus minus minus. I plus plus means it is called pre-increment. First do increment, then use that value. I minus means post increment.
Decrement,
Sorry.
right?
Sorry. Okay. Post increment. That means first use the value, then increment. Post means tarvada. Okay. Next go for minus minus I. It is a pre decrement. This is post
Decrement.
okay. These are arithmetic operators on increment or decrement operator. Then go for relational operator. Relations already we know. This is not much difficult. I equal to 20. Example int j equal to 30. Just I want to compare, not much, just I want to compare. I greater than j, or that mean j is big one or not with I. Is it true or not?
That's true.
Yeah, true.
True. Like this. Simple operators. Don't want to discuss much. These are false. Okay. Third one is I done equal to j. If we take another example, int I equal to 10, int j equal to 10. In this case, if we use I equal j, sorry, I greater than equal j,
False.
this,
Then it is true.
huh?
True.
This is true because you're using greater than equal to.
Equal.
j పెద్దదైన కావాలా I equal అని కావాలా? Okay.
Either
This one-
condition is applied, right? Less than or equal, right?
One second, the voice is very low. I'm connecting my headphones. Tell me now, what is your question?
So here I less than or
Hello?
equal to means two conditions is checking, right? Either or.
Kasi, you were asking something?
Nothing. Go ahead, bro.
Why it is not working? Okay, you can talk now. Are you able to hear my voice?
Yeah, I can hear you, bro.
Yeah, you can ask now. Okay.
Yeah, I'm asking like it is checking two conditions, like greater than or equal to.
Yes,
Right?
correct. Yes, correct. Okay, this is also true. This is same. Just I want to check both numbers are same or not. Okay, I equal to j, double equal we are using here. That means compare both numbers are same or not. Okay, so we covered here greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, equal to. Okay, just check anything depending here. All are covered. Let's go for bitwise operator. Bitwise operator is a somewhat complex than others. Just focus on this. First one is and. And is used to compare the multiple conditions. Okay, multiple conditions. Just for example, int I equal to 20, int j equal to 30. Just I want to compare I greater than equal to j or not, and I equal to 10 or not. This is two conditions here, not one. Okay, how it will execute? This is the first condition. This is the second condition. First it will execute I greater than or j or not. Sorry, I less than j or not. Is true or not?
True.
Yeah, it's true.
It is true. The second condition is
False.
false. Okay, so how it will work? If both conditions
True.
true, then
It will print.
final results is true. Else
True.
final results is
False.
false. Here
False.
one condition is true, another condition is false. That means finally it is
False.
false. In the AND condition, both side conditions should be true. Otherwise, if any one of the conditions is false, the final results will be false only. Okay, let's go one more example. The same. I plus plus greater than I plus plus equal to 11. Okay, and J equal to 30. Compare this. What is I plus plus?
11.
11. Okay. Comparison. Is it true? Okay. Next condition is J. J equal 30 or not? True.
Yes.
So both conditions are true. That means final result is true. If anyone is failed, it is fail, false only. Okay. This is AND condition. Reverse is OR condition. OR means symbol, pipe symbol. Okay. Example. I equal to sorry, I greater than 10 or J equal to 30. Double equal to for comparison. Okay. Now check this condition is what is this condition?
True.
I value okay true. Second condition is true. Both are true. That means true. How it works internally? If any condition true, then final result is true. Okay, let's check this. Another example. This condition, please check. Validate. Lokesh, you are not responding.
Yeah.
Check the
Both
condition
are
I.
false.
Both are false means
False.
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 okay. Simple here expression. If any condition is false, if any condition is true, then final result is true. Yes. If any condition is true, then final result is true. If both are false,
It's
final is
come into
false.
false.
Final results. Okay, then fine. Okay, this is AND or there is another operation double AND, and another one is double OR. Okay, what is double AND? We'll discuss now here. How it works? If both, sorry, if any one condition is false, it will not check second condition. Okay, that is what that means. If you take example of AND, how it works? So both conditions are true, then final result will be true. So in the first case, it will check this condition is true or not. This true. Second condition true or not is true. Then only go for then the final result is true. If any one condition is false, is there any checking another condition? Because already condition is false. Anyway, other condition also true means the final result is false only, right? It's not clear.
Yeah, clear.
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear.
Okay. And how it works?
And
It
is
is true.
working.
Both are true. Okay, then result will be true. Both are false, result will be false only. Okay, here let me explain more clearly. 1 minute. The first one is and. How it will works? If both are true, final result will be true. If any one is false, final will be
False.
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 Okay. Another case is true, 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 false, false, false. And is a false, true. Here FALs false. Here true. Result will be false. So
False.
it is and will expect both side true. So here, if I want to do some enhancements, some better improvement, if the first condition is false means, is it need to check second condition also? Because even second condition is true, final result will be true or false, right?
Yes.
It's clear. Anyway, first
Yeah.
one is example. The first one is false. Even second condition is false or true. Both cases it will be a false only. That is why no need to check the second condition. For that we have a double and operation. How it will works? First it will check true. There is two conditions. First condition, second condition. It is result. Last one. Okay. If it is a true, then we have to check another one also. Is it true or not? If both are true, result will be true only. If any case first one is false, is there any chance to check? Is there any required to check second condition? Because even second condition is true, final result will be false only, right?
False.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Because already one false is
Yes.
there. Second condition
Yeah.
even true also, final result false only. That is why we will not check this. In third case, it is true. Okay. Second one we have to check definitely. Is it true or not? Because final result will be depends on this only. If second one is true, then final will be true. Second one is false, final will be
Final
false.
is false.
Okay. In the last case, false. False. This is a false only. So to check the second condition is mandatory or not, we have to use double and operator. Same like another one is double R. We understood it, R operation.
Yes.
This is the R operation type symbol. Okay. Here first condition, second condition, result. Let's take example here. First condition is true, second condition is true, result will be
True.
why is it true? What is the functionality of R?
If anyone is true, result will be true only.
Fine. Anyone is true, result will be true. Okay. Here true, here false. What is the result?
False.
True.
True only.
True. R condition true.
True only.
True. Because in R condition it will check any one is true, then final will be true. So here it is true. It is false. Final will be
True.
True.
true. Okay. Okay. False. False. It is a false. Okay. Let's go for double R operator. Double R, how it will works? Here first condition, second condition, result. First condition is true. Is there any need required to check second condition? Anyway, first one is true. Second one is true or false. Both cases it is a true only because any one is true is fine for us. Right? No need to check second condition. That cases we can go for double OR operator. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So second case false. If it is false, do we need to check second case second condition?
Yes, we have to check second one also.
Yes, we have to check. If it is true, then true because anyone is true, then we have to true. Okay, both are false.
Coming
First
to
one is
false.
false, right? Second one we have to check because if second one is true means we have to give true. If second one is false means we have to give false only.
False.
Last case is true,
True,
false.
false.
In this case,
We don't need to check second condition.
yes, correct.
Correctly.
We don't need to check.
Okay, so this is the functionality of R, double R, and double AND. If it is not clear, let me know. I'll take one example. Here, just to give example, okay, there is a data, employee data in database. Okay, it has the 1 million records. Just I want to check manager department number of employees is greater than development department number of employees. This is one condition. Another condition is total employee count is 1 million or not. If both are true, then I have to give that employee maybe company share. I have to declare as a 10% hike, 10% profit. Okay, in this case, what I have to do, first condition I will check. I want to check only one condition, both, not at both. So first condition true means second condition not required to check. If any one true means only one condition is fine. If second condition is false, then only have to go first. Sorry, first condition is false, then go for second condition. If first condition is true, don't go for second condition. Okay, fine. If the example not much clear, ignore about that. We'll take much examples when you go for loops. Okay. Okay, then fine. We'll go for next. What are the operations are there? Ternary. Okay. Ternary operator. So how ternary operator will work? Okay, ternary operator. How it works? First, it will check condition is true or not. If condition is true, okay, return this. If condition is false, return, example, return, take 10, take 20. Okay, this is a simple example, I can say syntactically. So first we will check, we'll take example int I equal to 10 same, int j equal to 20. Okay, I want to check 10 return 20 j. If condition is true, I want to return the value as I plus j. Otherwise, I want to return I into j. This is a if else condition. Okay, if else is still not covered, I will teach you in maybe tomorrow. Okay, when condition is true, return one value. Condition is false, return another value. Okay, both cases here. Thing is, when condition is true, we have to return something. Condition is false, return another thing. So if you want to return something, even condition true or condition false, the return is common. Then go for that ternary operator. Okay, this will cover maybe tomorrow mostly because we need to cover that if else conditions mostly. Okay. Okay, it is fine. Tomorrow we'll start with the string class. string. Up to now, we discussed about how to represent integer numbers, 10, 20, 30, 40. And we discussed the character numbers. We discussed the Boolean numbers, true or false. Okay. We discussed about some double like salary, 10.02, 10 point something, double type, float double. Now we want to discuss to reference some names, some lines, some. Okay, just example, my name or Java. How to represent that? Did I discuss that till now? No, not
No.
discuss, right? So this kind of things we'll discuss tomorrow. This is called string to represent multiple characters, multiple words, multiple lines, anything more than one character. We can use the string. String is a class. String is not data type. How the int is a data type, character is a data type, boolean is a data type, and double, float, these are data types, but string is a class. Okay. In our test class, this is a test class. In test class, what are there? Just tell me what you can see here in high level. What you understand high level?
In the test class, static variables, instance variables.
Okay.
It is also declaring the methods without having before calling the methods. How to call the methods after getting the main method callings only.
Fine. In test class, we have a variables, which may be static variables, instance variables. We have methods, maybe static methods, instance methods. That means finally, what I can say in test in a class, basically we can have variables, methods. We have some more also blocks that I will discuss later. As of now, in the class, we see that variables and method. Same like string is a class. String is not a data type. String is a class. That means string also have some variables, some methods, and some more. Okay, what are the variables? What are the methods? In our example, test class has two methods: main method, M1 method, to do some operations. Same like we have a string class. In that, methods, variables, those methods, those variables, how to use for. String is a class given by that Java, not for not returning from our side. This is inbuilt class. How we are returning that example class, test class, exe1, like that. This is our custom class. We are defining the classes, but string class is already given by Java. There are two different type of things. One is inbuilt functionalities. Okay. Custom functionalities. So custom functionalities we have to write. Inbuilt means already given by someone. Who is someone? Java people. Okay. These inbuilt functionalities classes, some are like string, string buffer. Okay, some collection classes, array classes. There are many things inbuilt given to work with Java. By using those, we can develop our own classes for that according to our requirement in the project. Okay. Just for example, for now we can remember that our class has some, how we have a variables methods. String class also have a, some methods and variables. Those we'll discuss tomorrow. What is string class? Maybe not tomorrow, Monday. What is string class? Okay, how to work with that? How to represent a word? I want to represent my name. Can I represent my name with char name equal to my name like this? Is it possible?
No.
No, because character allow only one character. Char data type allow only one character. So if you want to represent multiple characters, how can I? By using string. Simple thing. Character by we are using the single quote, but in string we use double quotes. Okay. In string there is no limit. We can use any number of characters. We can use any number, no problem. It may be a single word, multiple words, multiple lines, single lines, anything. Okay, we can represent through string. Okay, on top of string, what we can do? Okay, what we can do? Simple example. What we are going to cover tomorrow. My name is Chinchu. Okay, I want to convert my name to uppercase. Everything I want to print like this. How I can print? How I can write? String class already provided one method. That method just we have to call to uppercase. Okay, if you call to uppercase, then internally string uppercase method will take this value, each character, convert into each letter as a upper letter, then print that value. The final result will be after converting into uppercase. Clear it? We are not doing anything as a coding side, taking each character, converting the upper, okay, and printing that value. That will not be in. Just we are using the inbuilt methods. Okay. So to understand more clear on this, tomorrow I will cover one calculator example, simple calculator, how it works, how to provide two input arguments, how to do sum, okay, how to providing the input arguments using that maybe different types, double types, okay, how to do product, what basics calculator will do, sum, addition, deletion, division. These kind of things we'll discuss. After that, we'll discuss in class, so we can get more clarity on this. Okay, just I'm starting recording.